Hi, in this video we are going to learn about how to install Ubuntu 19.04 server. And I am going to install inside VirtualBox. In the first screen after media is booted, we have to select the language based on the preference. I am going to select English. We can just click continue without update option. Next is keyboard layout. Here I am going to keep the default layout settings. Then it is going to ask us the type of installation we want. Here, I am going to select default Ubuntu. This here is the network connections. Unless you want custom network configuration, use the default settings, which should work fine. If you have any proxy address, you can just give here. In most cases we don't use proxy. I don't have proxy, so I am going to leave as blank. We don't have to change the mirror address, just use the default value. Next is file system setup. You can do manual partition. If you are going to use a part of the disk, in my case, I am going to choose an entire disk. Now it's going to ask for a server profile setup, so enter details that are needed. Then select Install Open SSH Server for SSH access. If you have any SSH ID backup, you can import here from external sources. Next is snaps, which are customized setups. I am not going to select snaps. Click Done, which will start installation. It will take a while. I am going to fast forward a bit, until installation completes. I am going to select Skip update and reboot now. And there you have it, Ubuntu server installation. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find it useful.